Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be attempting to install, well not attempting, I'm installing this wig and I show you basically how I put my locks under the wig cap and then how I put the wig over top of my locks basically. And I'm just showing you the details of this wig. I love this wig. I'm going to be wearing this at least for the rest of the month of November. I'll probably get a different one for December. I did post another one that I was rocking all of October and some of November because I fell in love with it. But oh my god, I like this one better because this texture is more kinky and so lightweight. Like, oh my god. But anyway, we're gonna get right into the video because I know with this brown, I'm doing an outfit of the day next, by the way. It's gonna be a monochromatic all brown look with this hoodie and a trench coat and then black accessories. But anyway, I'm gonna get right into the video and let me know if you guys have any questions. And don't forget, I have a coupon code. You can use Yolanda to get $100 off. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and my next video is going to be a life update, Q&A, all of that. We got to get back into this, okay? But until then, make sure you guys are following me on all social because I post stories pretty much every day. I've been doing vlogs on Reels and TikTok, so make sure you catch up, okay? But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. First things first, we are going to do a middle part because I feel like this makes your locks the flattest. So then we're just going to put it in a low ponytail. There's no need for a braid down or anything because that's more bulky. We need these flat. I put the wig cap on and I just flip the ponytail up. The wig we're wearing today has plenty of combs and bands so it can be extra secure. It even has lace and a hairline in the back so you can wear a ponytail. As you can see, I'm using the two side combs to make sure that the lace in the front is really secure. And I don't use glue, but I do use Got2b hairspray so the lace can pretty much melt onto my skin. It does not move. I don't band for an hour like E-Cane, but I do apply a band just to make sure the lace stays down, especially while I'm curling my hair. But as you can see, the lace looks amazing. If you're looking for an easy install and you're a fan of kinky textured hair, I highly recommend this. So make sure you check it out on RPGSHOW.com and use my coupon code Yolanda for $100 off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah.